There's still time to check off that resolution of starting off the new year in a new home. Check out this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home situated in wonderful Southwest Fort Wayne. Entering the home, you'll become enamored with the open concept floor plan and spacious rooms. Newer plank flooring can be found throughout that pulls the space together. Enjoy quiet evenings relaxing in the living room, or call up your friends and family for a game night. There's room to do it all. The kitchen is bright and uplifting with light gray cabinetry, light countertops, and tile backsplash. The eat-in area by the sliding patio doors provides the perfect space to grab meals together while basking in the glow of sunshine. All bedrooms are located upstairs, and all 4 are very spacious. The master bedroom offers a master bath with a tub shower combination as well as a sizable walk-in closet. If you're looking for more storage space, one of the bedrooms has a wall of closet and drawer space that makes for the perfect storage solution. Outside, the large fenced-in backyard is great to relax and even better as a secure area for pets and children to play. Don't forget about the oversized garage, perfect for stowing tools and outdoor equipment. Are you ready to come to this beautiful home? Call Linda Carper to schedule your showing today.